Alright, hello guys, welcome back to my stolen YouTube series, Mega Style Ladder. Today I'm playing a Mega Glalie team with a Scarf Landers. Oh wait, this isn't in frame. Let's Keldeo here. Oh wait, fuck, I'm doing this so bad. Scarf Landers, Earthquake, U-Turn, Stone Edge, Defog. Specs Keldeo with Scald, Secret Sword, HP Electric, Icy Wind. Choice Band Victini, V-Crate, Bull Strike, Trick, U-Turn. Sassy Ferrothorn with Gyro Bow, Power Whip, Leech Seed, Stealth Rocks. Shiny Clefable with Moonblast, Heal Bell, Protect, Wish. And a Glalie lent to me by Pro Gamer with Return, Earthquake, Explosion, Spikes. I'm starting right around here. And I'm going to be ending the video with a Tapu Bulu Roll with Ryukk.
Yippee. Okay.
Okay, Scarf Lando, probably going Magear now. Deagly and a Scoop. I'll get my rocks up. He's probably gonna go into Metacham. I think this Glalie is slower. Yeah, it is. I'll go Landers first. High jump kick's gonna do a lot of damage. Yeah, I'll U-turn, then I'll go Keldeo. I'll make a small prediction where I'm gonna Secret Sword him. If he Earthquakes, I'll just go back into Lando.
My money's on Jane.
Your money's on Jane? Fair enough.
Hey, bro. I gotta support the clan.
Oh wait, let me oh, I can't lie, my Discord's on the right side. I'll go Ferrothorn because I kind of wall him. I don't want to risk any like HPI shenanigans. I really want to sack Glalie, but that would be a really bad video, so I'm not going to. I'm gonna U-turn, assuming he goes Lando again. Yep. I'm gonna scout at this time by going Lando. I think he might EQ because I'm kind of in range. Like, not really, but I think there might be a chance I die. So I don't think I need Lando that much. It's like a sack anyway. I want to go Glalie, but that would be kind of a bad video. Deep in thought. Yeah, I just don't see him wanting to U-turn here because my Keldeo is just so powerful against this team. So Ryukk, what are you going for? Is that a... Okay, U-turn, good play.
That's her.
Oh, I see. It's not happening, but you can dream.
Bro, I just spent 2.5 days doing random battles. Leave me alone.
It's not gonna happen, but never give up on your dreams. Only sometimes.
Yeah.
It'll
Good
be
luck
sick
beating
to
me
see.
in Clan Wars.
We'll see about that. Next week it's happening.
Hey.
Yep. That's a huge threat gone. In fact, I'm gonna just stay in on this. Okay, nice. It's a lot less damage he's able to do to me.
Skill diff.
This isn't too bad. I'll just gyro him if he wants to switch. Yeah, no worries. I should be going Clefable, but I think Glalie's more fun to go, so I'll do
Gotta
it.
do the feature.
100%.
What do you think about this for the next video?
Steelix. Interesting.
Don't leak it.
Oh, okay. Oh
It's meant to be a surprise for your audience.
Why sassy though?
Because I have a plan.
You have a plan?
Yeah.
Shit. It's exciting. It's getting exciting. But we're not playing Brave.
Look, I'm giving you the best I have here. Like,
Fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah, I mean we could do it, or we can successfully record a Pidgeot video.
I mean, well, I gotta get this one ready, and then the rest of the team. So like, I think the Pidgeot works.
Also, you have
For, like,
3,000
placeholder.
PvP tokens. You're rich.
Yeah, dude, I'm almost done with PvP.
God damn.
Unironically.
Explosion. I have no reason to, but I want to.
I can't wait.
Of course.
Once I retire from, needing the tokens, I might, come DK and help you guys out.
we need top 5.
Yeah, well, I mean, you guys want top 1.
Of course.
Well played by both parties here.
Good game, Jane. Anyway, so I guess I'm one game off, but I'll stop when the recording ends, I guess. But yeah, I'll pause.
See, the issue with that... Oh, never mind. You're recording now.
No worries, you can keep going.
Damn.
Let's give it a sash. I'm gonna turn out of here. If he switches, I know that he's not sash pretty much too. At least I think if you create always kills. Yeah, it should. Yeah, he gets his rocks up. I'll defog. If he stays in, he's better than me. He has 2 great lander answers. And this one's pretty good against things like Clefable.
And a lot more shiny.
Okay. But what he doesn't know is that I got a whole ass Glalie that I will not be going. And that really sucks because Nidoking is really annoying. I just want to have like the guarantee that rocks are never going up. Wow, that's so bad. I don't beat this Slower variant. He doesn't know that I'm not freeze dry, right? So he's got to switch.
Oops.
Oh. Okay, here's the plan. I was gonna say get all spikes down, but I'm not getting more than 1. But get all the spikes down, and then win with Keldeo.
That looks like all the spikes to me.
Yeah, that's 3 layers actually. I think it dies now. Yeah. And then this was not Intimidate Arcanine. think that's really bad for me, because he's probably Flash Fire then.
That's a nice Aerodactylite you have.
Thank you. It's yours actually. But
Really?
it's mine now. So
Can I have your shiny Ferrothorn?
maybe. If you're kind.
What about
If
that
he Destiny
Victini?
bombs, I'll be sad. The Victini, no, not that one. That one means a lot to me. It was given to me by like a cool guy.
I'll tell you what, if I ever quit the game, you can have shiny Clefable.
What?
Said if I ever quit the game, you can have shiny Clefable.
Well, I'm actually getting all of these because you're just not getting them back. Please
Yeah, well,
start
I
thinking
mean-
sensibly. Also, OP Keldeo.
True.
Also, it's not yours, by the way.
Yeah, I know. It's the one that I sold to Seminar. Haha.
That's actually why it isn't OP. That's actually why it is OP. Because it isn't yours.
Because it's not in my coconut.
It's that guy's, yeah.
Shout out Seminar. Troy doesn't like you in his videos anymore. So
Well, he's not here. I don't mind having him around. Except for when he sings. He should never fucking sing. Ever. Okay, this is fine with Flash Fire. I'll just go Clove. Oh, it's not that fine anymore. I didn't know he was gonna be a Morning Sun. It's annoying.
how does it feel to just not be good at the game?
It feels really odd, actually. I mean, you should spike your
Such a
shield here.
weird shine.
Such a weird shiny.
Yeah, I don't like it.
You don't?
No,
That's
I don't
fair.
think I do.
Yeah, that's fair. It's got a weird look to it. I don't think it's bad though.
Yeah, like I don't think it's bad. I just think it's too solid. Like, if that makes any sense at all.
Whoa, that's a lot of damage. God fucking damn. The fuck?
Aye.
Aye, indeed. God damn. What does he get? Is he gonna get a spike down? Is that his game plan? He'll go. I received 4 hyper potions from the item bomb. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Would have been 5. You're Genie, by the way.
Yeah, I imagine it would have, wouldn't it?
It would have just 5 hyper potions.
Okay. I imagine he wants to switch. That works too. Nice little drop. Shift Gear doesn't run Flash Cannon. It could run Iron Head, so. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was scared of, but it's not too bad as long as it doesn't happen again. Ooh, shit, why would... Oh, fair enough on the Shift Gear here, but... Can't say I don't think it's the... I don't think it's the best play ever. Also, you better like stand with me when we do the roll. Just
Nah, fuck you.
Damn. Okay.
You know,
I think I lose.
we gotta stand like you.
Plus like T1. Oh. I might win.
Nice.
As long as I don't miss, I think.
Oh,
That's
shit.
fine. As long as I don't. What, do you not have your shiny Sam?
No, so Shield has it.
Oh, tough.
Actually, maybe I can.
Okay.
Yeah, you know what?
I'm gonna
I'll
finish
arrange
the
it.
recording first. I'm not gonna end it
Yeah,
just now, so
like that. No, chill. Cool.
yeah, it's only 15 minutes. Yeah, I'm pausing again. I'm back with a really fun game, something that looks really entertaining to watch and play. So I hope you guys are excited. Well, as excited as I am, because I'm stoked. I'm actually really stoked. I'm no longer stoked at all. He's physically defensive Gliscor and I've lost my best Pokemon. Good game, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'm gonna go jump off a bridge. Yeah. Anyway. I actually think I normally play Mega Mawile, which would make me really good against this team, but unfortunately, I'm not playing that today. I don't see why I couldn't just stay in, so I'm going to. T-Wave maybe. It's not too bad. I had Heal Well anyway. I'm assuming he wants to get rocks up here. Tox. Oh. Yeah, I forgot. Heal Well doesn't get her T-Spice. Or else I wasn't paying enough attention. But yep.
Not in my coconut. So I'm gonna get in trouble later.
How come?
I had to wake the boss, and I was like, "Hey, can you log on PokeNexus?" She's like, "Fuck off! Like you're disturbing my sleep for this." I'm like, "Please."
For this? It's like PokeNexus is the most important thing. What do you mean for this?
Right? That's what I'm saying.
Exactly.
But, you know, what can you do? She's like, really? It's for like some dumb PvP role? I'm like, oh, yes, that's precisely what it's for. Like,
wow, this one's just so fat. Goddamn. This might kill. Nice. Sadly, that's just the start.
you know why his team's better?
No, why is it better?
He's using Mega Glalie. It's just a factual statement, by the way. CGZ and clan chat try.
Is he in my clan? No. Oh, clan. Hey, I forgot. Comes as like.
That was savage.
Yo, bro, fucking every one of my Pokemon has a status condition.
Like Pokemon like training, they say.
So I have a status condition.
I can't say these words online.
Yeah, I kind of realized where you were going with it, but yo, go ahead with saying it if you want, you know.
I mean, you know. I mean, I'm glad you're playing this game, not me.
Yeah, I don't think I win it though. I just wasn't expecting Fizdef Gliscor. It is Fizdef, right? Damn, Spadef have a chance to live too. Okay. But he's probably not. So I definitely want the T-Spike here. HP Electric, see how much it does.
Nice.
Yeah, he's gonna protect though, so. I wonder if he's going like Toxapex. Or if
Or
he's
not.
unaware. If he's unaware, I just can't lose. I mean, Cosmic Power. Oh, I died to EQ. I'm gonna time out because there's no point in doing this.
R.I.P.
I was greedy. I thought Victini was gonna kill it, not gonna lie.
Needed higher attack IV.
Yeah, if I was 31, it actually would have done like what, 30% more? Yeah. You know what? I'm just gonna pause until I find the next game. Back with another game. I'll V-crit, because he's probably Scarf, so he doesn't have a switch in if he wants to U-turn. He's Bandit? I didn't V-crit. Okay. Probably exactly how I didn't want it to start off, but... Can always turn it around. Yeah, he HJKs. Which makes sense. Glalie actually looking fairly decent here. Yeah, I'm gonna pivot back into liners here. And now I'm gonna U-turn. Because I expect Celesteela to come out, yeah. And then I'll get a kill with Victini.
Very nice.
Very, very nice. Could probably keep Lando, but I don't think I need it. Does a Secret Sword kill him? I don't know. Kill Jovius, Medichain, Mega. 45 to 53.
Wait.
That's an Oko. I'm gonna be real honest. That's an Oko. PPIVs, that's actually like a minimum. Oh, I could have just scalded and he'd be smoked. A Volt Switch, and then he's gonna go back into Metachan. I'm just gonna sack this one. Yeah.
Now you do it again.
Yeah, I'm Secret Sorting. Yep. This is gonna get Oko'd, I think, because Evilite's not working, for those of you guys who don't know. And go Fable, I don't need this one. Holy specs. Oh, I lose. So I need a Ferrothorn. He stayed in without terrain.
Oh.
So we're fine. Whew. I would love to do something with this one. But
I mean, you did.
yeah, it actually did kind of win me the game here. So give it some credit. Some credit where credit is due. Yeah, this didn't really matter. If you wanted to fake out me to live Secret Sword, it doesn't matter. I just switch out on everything. I just play around it. And this recording is 26 minutes, so I play another game, Ryukk.
I mean, you can.
Perhaps. Perhaps I play one more game. I think I'll play one more. Glalie is, hasn't done too much yet.
Done more than Alakazam.
Hey. Alakazam came in. Kind of forgot to unpause, but I'm facing Janine again, and I led Victini.
Oh, you have players off.
Oh, I do? Oh shit, I do. I need to get my Zam anyway. So, it doesn't matter too much. This team's surprisingly annoying, in my opinion. I just don't like facing Mega Slowbro. Yeah, I guess he was going for drop there, which makes sense, but it's very annoying. So he's triple attack. Kind of interesting. Nice. No, did it kill? Oh, it's so over. Well, that's my best Pokemon gone. Okay, it's not over because Landorus looks great here, but it's very sad. Also, was that you who left the Pokemon? No, you're still standing behind me. Okay. Stalking.
I was talking to Austin.
Yeah, he's kind of a G. Oh, there he is. Ryukk. Is that Alakazam? It's bugged, right?
Yeah, it's meant to be shiny.
Oh yeah. Is this like the first time you're ever using it?
Maybe. Look, once it sinks a Bulu, its price goes up to like 40 mil instantly.
You think? Alright, fair enough, fair enough.
I reckon.
Does return kill? It should, right? We're talking about like a 200 base power move after stab and everything. Yo, it doesn't even come close to killing.
Blow up.
I hope he doesn't drain punch me. Yo, Ryukk, should I say that out loud so everyone can hear what was said?
Yeah, why not?
Think? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I think it would be too funny. They'd laugh too much.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
Whoa, what in the crit? There's my best mon gone. For real this time. Well, I mean,
For real.
Keldeo was my best mon. But that was my second best mon. At least, after rocks damage, he might actually be dead. And Victini looks pretty good then. I think he should
Your new best one.
My new best mon is actually the Victini. It's just that the Gengar is a huge threat. I think I kind of have to just sack something whenever it comes out. Yeah, the crit really sucks. Because I live it like fairly easily. Yeah, I think I have to stay in praying he Focus Blast misses. Yeah, he doesn't stay in. Which obviously makes sense. Why are you switching up decos? What's up with this waterfall wing?
I do not know.
Okay. Anyway, he's probably gonna want to go into this, and hopefully it dies to rocks. Otherwise, it's like as game as it can be. Yeah. I still think it's game to the Gengar, but
Gonna Mega Evo.
Mega Gengar. Yo, get rid of that deco right now.
Right, this is low-key fire.
Yeah, it's low-key heat.
I don't know what I did, but I did it.
The way he's playing makes me think this is Scarf Gengar. Which would be best case scenario, but with how much damage that is, that it's not Scarf Gengar, that's super. Anyway, I'm gonna have to make a prediction on the Chestnut. And the sad thing about this is I can only make so few because of Spiky Shield. So this is the last time I can bring in Victini. And if he goes Magearna, I think I've lost the game. Yeah. Yeah, Gengar wins from here. Wow, the lo-fi is being a bit too calming right now.
Doesn't match the energy levels.
Nah, it's not missing the fact that I'm like tweaking. OP Ferrothorn will not be saving me. He ends it off with a quick Drain Punch, I think. Unless he's Woodhammer variant, and then I PP Stone. But yeah, okay. That's not too surprising. Okay, so where did we end off? We ended off going from like, I don't know.
Ryukk? Quick question.
Now I'm here.
Ryukk?
Yeah.
What does Thaco build? Is it AP or AD?
Both.
Quick intermission in the recording.
Yeah. AP for his boxes and AD for his physical.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Like
do you wanna
the roll time?
Yeah. Well, so do you want to trade each other?
Do you want to use the shiny? Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
I'll grab another Kazam.
Oh yeah, because I can't trade you. Fair enough.
Like, because that way you can use this one first if you want, and then quickly trade it over, and then I'll roll mine straight after, and then yeah.
Oh, are we both using this shiny one then? Or?
Yeah, if you want.
I'm so confused.
Up to you. You decide.
No, we'll just roll at the same time, but I'll steal the shiny one. But keep your shiny egg. Just give me the shiny charm on it. I'll give you your egg. I'll give you an egg. Alright.
Okay.
No, my.
Okay.
Okay, we'll trade each other after. Anyway.
Yeah.
Oh, wrong thing. Alright. 3. Okay, on 1. 3, 2, 1, go. I guess they can't see the fact that you rolled the the Bulu, but whatever. Oh, you traded me. Go.
Are we clicking on it now? Like,
Oh.
yeah. You want to trade?
Oh shit! What the fuck? What the fuck?
You want to trade?
What the fuck? What the
I'll take
fuck?
mine if you. Damn.
Is this it? What the fuck? Whoa! What the hell? Also, I just realized I kind of fucked up with not recording the whole screen for later. But anyway.
Yeah.
Or I might have saved that by having game clip. I don't know, whatever. Damn, that sucks, man. I lied. It's actually great, but it kind of sucks for you.
I shouldn't have given you the shiny one.
Holy fucking Bulu.
Oh yeah, I gotta give you your egg back.
Yeah.
Actually. Okay, you can just keep that.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're ending this video on a very, very high note. So, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I guess this is my reward for being friends with Ryukk.
Wow. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. See you guys. Thank you for watching.